from Chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Natalie in here with us this afternoon. Natalie's coming back in for a tune-up. This is her third adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. And how have you done the first two adjustments?
It's good. Yeah,
Good.
It makes me feel better automatically.
Okay, good, good. All right, let's show them how we do that. Let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards. And then neutral. There you go. Natalie and her whole family come in here and get adjusted. Her dad, her brothers. Well, it's not your whole family, I guess, but it's a lot of them. How'd your dad do after he got his first adjustment? Was he happy?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, he was like, oh, I didn't know there was stuff wrong.
Oh, what a relief it is,
Yeah.
huh? Yep. Okay, Natalie, let's decompress you first today.
Okay.
Lay your butt there and get up that way. There we go. It's gonna feel tight. There we go. Nice day out today, huh?
Yeah, it's relief.
Is it cool or is it getting hot?
It's pretty good.
Starting, you know.
It's not raining. That's good.
Yeah, that's a good thing, yeah. Okay, let me get this under your skull. Okay. There we go. Keep your teeth together and just breathe through your nose for me. I'll catch you. Yes, ma'am. I don't even have to ask if that went all the way down. Yeah. Okay. I got you. Let it go. There you go. Traffic's not too bad out right now either, huh?
It's not rush hour yet.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's do this. Everybody. Let's come over here on your tummy next. Ooh, excuse me. Let me change this for you. There we go. Legs are even, that's a good start. Stay even, that's even better. Did that tighten up a little bit?
Yeah.
Right there? Okay, you're gonna feel your pelvis pumping up a little bit. There. I'm adjusting your lumbar spine in the Z axis right now. There we go. Oh yeah. Just keep breathing. That a girl. There. Okay, you're still even, but this should feel a little easier than the previous one.
But
Okay, good. That girl. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Okay. That's it. It's like it just a little bit. There you go. Yep. Now put your arms straight out to the sides. Okay, now, just relax your leg in my hand here. Okay, let this leg go. There you go. Should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your low back.
it's
Good. Same here. Just relax your leg. Let it go limp. Don't help me. There you go. Good job. Okay, let's sit you up face that way. That's it. People are always making comments that I do the same adjustment on everybody, and I adjust you the same way every time, right?
Yes.
And that's why you come here, right?
Exactly.
Because it makes you feel better. Okay, let's come on here. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and then backwards. And neutral. Yep. Okay, we'll pull these up and back. Now I'm going to bring the head straight back and all the way like this. You're going to feel a little tap right there. And right there. Okay, now relax again and try that again. Right down the middle, my dear. Good job.
Awesome.
Does that feel smoother to you?
Yes.
Good deal. So, I adjust you the same way every time you come in here, and does it feel good every time?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the reason I adjust people the same way, is because it works. So if you're wanting to get an adjustment like this, go to advancedhoustonchiropractor.com and fill out a new patient appointment request, and Renee will get to it and get back with you online. So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.